Ever wondered what a line of credit is or how it works? Well, break it down in 1 minute. Well, a line of credit, or LOC, is a flexible loan from a bank. The bank sets a maximum limit, and you can borrow any amount up to that limit whenever you need it. You only pay interest on it when you actually borrow, not the full amount. For example, imagine the bank gives you a $5,000 line of credit. You borrow $1,000 to fix your car. You'll only pay interest on that $1,000. Later, if you pay back $500, you can borrow that $500 again. It's like a reusable loan. People use lines of credit for emergencies, big purchases, or to cover business expenses. It's flexible, so you don't have to take a full loan if you only need part of the money. But be careful. Interest keeps adding up on the money you borrow, so only take what you need and pay it back quickly.